Okay, now that we've created a home page and a contact form, we're going to create a view that's going to be used to render our blog posts. So I added in 6 example blog posts they have a lot of formatting, a lot of stuff going on, so it'll really test out the various features of Oxygen. So we've got tables, lists, a bunch of stuff. Anyway, I'm now going to create a view in Oxygen that's going to render all of these blog posts. So I'm going to create this as an archive view. An archive is the type of template that WordPress uses to render multiple things. For example, the WooCommerce shop page to have multiple products. Here we're going to show all of our blog posts. So I'm going to apply this to show all post types, all categories, all tags, all taxonomies, all authors. And I'm also going to apply this view to our search results page, date archive, and blog posts page. So I'll publish this view, and then I'm going to click Edit Blog in Visual Editor, and we're going to set it up. So to start, I'm going to add our reusable header, and I'll add a section. This is where our blog post output is going to go, and then I'll add a footer. Okay, now we want to render our blog post. So to do that, we're going to go to Components, WordPress Content, and we already have a pre-built archive loop, which is going to just render the post title, author, content, then the next post title, author, content. So we're just going to reuse this, so we don't have to do anything, really. Now you might be wondering, how is it actually doing this? So what it's doing, we have some PHP code in here, and this is just the normal WordPress loop. While have posts, the post, and then it outputs the HTML necessary to render the post, the author, the post content, any images associated with the post, etc. So that's how we're doing that. Now let's say you wanted to customize the styles of this. Well, we already include some preloaded styles, which are going to be in the Hydrogen default style sheet, if you're using the Hydrogen design set. So here are those styles, and if we wanted to customize this, we could. Or if we wanted to customize it, we could add our own style sheet. So for example, let's say we want to customize the styling of the post title. Well, that's going to be the heading with the class entry-title. So we'll just go and create a new style sheet, and we'll call this new styles. And we're just going to go entry title. We want to make it bigger. There we go. If we want to change the color, so we're just going to add in entry title, and if we want to make it bigger, we'll just go font size 48 pixels, important, to override the other styles. And there we go. So that's how you could customize it if you wanted. So I'm not going to customize it because I think it looks fine as is. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this page. And now we'll take a look at our blog page. So first, we've created this view, but it's applying to post categories. So we could go to posts, or we go to categories, and then let's say view one of the categories, and it's applying. But what about just setting up a blog page at, say, /blog, which right now doesn't exist. So it's going to just open this view. To do that, we're going to add a page. We're going to call it blog, publish it, and then go to settings, reading, and we're going to set up our site to display the home page on our front page, and the post page is going to be our blog page. So we'll save that, and now let's go to the home page. Looks good. And now we'll go to /blog, which is our blog page, and it displays all of our blog posts. Okay, now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a view that's just going to apply to one of the blog posts. Right now, this is just going to come up as blank because we haven't done that yet. We're going to display the blog post, comment form, etc.